Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted a StarLine alarm on this new Transit Custom. Customers are a bit worried about them breaking into it, starting it up, taking it away, or actually damaging the back door. So we fitted this basic system where basically uses the original remote control and it uses the phone as an authorization tag. How it works is when he leaves the vehicle, he just simply arms it in the normal way, just locks it, deadlocks it, and you see on the app it's got a little dome around it saying it's protected. It takes about a minute to arm, actually shows lock and armed. When he comes back to the vehicle, just simply disarm it in the normal way, straightforward. This product's also got tilt motion shock and it's got an ICANN immobilizer, which means it uses the phone as an ID tag. If the phone is not present, the alarm will trigger and the vehicle won't start. So I'm just going to show you that now. So I'm basically going to arm it. I'm going to turn the Bluetooth off on the phone. You're going to see me remotely unlock it and it's going to count down and therefore trigger and not start. So I'll show you that now. So the Bluetooth is now turned off. I'm going to approach the vehicle with a cloned remote control key. You're going to see the actual alarm disarm and start to count down. And then you'll see it'll trigger, but the van will not start. So I'll show you that now. See, alarm's not turning off until we enable the Bluetooth tag. Bluetooth just been enabled, system is disarmed, which is an authorization. So basically it means someone clones your key again. If this is not present, they can't disarm it and they can't start it. Now I'm going to show you impact sensor. So when we apply force to the vehicle, you're going to see the alarm trigger. So I'll wait for the alarm to set again. We'll arm it, deadlock it, and wait for it to set. As you can see on the app, it's now armed. If you watch the app now, it's actually showing that it's been triggered. There you go, system disarmed. Also, I'm just going to show you now if someone was to attack the lock, so we're going to arm it again. System is armed, but this time I'm going to turn the Bluetooth app off again and I'm actually going to mechanically unlock it with a key like someone's picking the lock. So we'll do that shortly. There you go, someone's tried to attack it. My alarm's not fully disarmed yet because it's looking for authorization. So we'll turn off on the Bluetooth because you can see through the app it's still actually active. So we'll just turn it off now. But see, it's counting down. But we've turned on the Bluetooth app and it's actually disarmed. Really clever bit of kit. Now what we're going to do is we're going to actually hit the back doors because we've actually put a really sensitive shock sensor if someone applies a force to the back doors, and I'll actually arm that now and show you that also. So now we're going to arm the back again, deadlock, showing that it's on now, and we're just going to wait for it to set again, and then I'm going to apply a force to the back door. There you go, it's triggering again. That's showing us that someone's applied a force to the back, just to try and protect the bending or like an applied force. Now we're going to show you inside the vehicle. the ICANN block. Right, we're inside the vehicle now. I'm actually just going to arm it again with the original key. Deadlock it. System is armed. I'm going to turn off the Bluetooth app, disarm it, and then try and start it. Bluetooth is switched off. I'm going to unlock it. If you can see, the system is still armed through the app. I'm going to try and start it. See, won't start. Will not start. Okay. It's now going to count down shortly. There you go, counting down. And it's going to trigger. So what we'll do is we'll turn the Bluetooth app back on. There you go, system disarmed. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, it's got the facility where you can use the app to arm and disarm the system if you wanted to. I'll show you that now. So if you watch carefully, if I hit this, system armed, doors locked, come back, system disarmed. Also, it shows us on the app, door open, ignition on, vehicle running. Really clever. Handbrake up. Also, it's got another app called StarLine Key, which is this one here. So you can also use this to arm and disarm. And also, if you're taking the car for a service and you don't want to obviously give your phone away for authorization, you can put it into valet mode. And the way you do that is you push and hold this until it actually goes amber. Now it's in valet mode. So all it will do now is use the original key just to lock and unlock and activate the factory fitted system. There you go. When you receive the vehicle back, take it out of valet mode, push and hold till it goes green. There you go. The alarm is now back in play. So if you lock it, you can hear a chirp, you see. System is armed. System is disarmed. Really clever bit of kit. So just to break it down quickly, this alarm has ICANN block on this particular transit, works off the original remote control, works off an app. It's got tilt motion shock, and it's also got an impact sensor on the back. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 028 906 0478. 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.